Welcome to the installation guide on how to replace the front air struts of a Mercedes Benz E-Class W212 or a Mercedes Benz CLS-Class W218 with ADS and 4MATIC with new Arnott air struts. Stay tuned to learn more. Before continuing, please be aware that these parts are not suitable for European Avantgarde or European AMG models. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Start by setting the steering to straight ahead. Then raise the vehicle and remove the applicable front wheel. Loosen and remove the airline fitting from the top of the strut. Now, remove the airline fitting from the air hose and discard it. To do this, remove the collet and the remaining fitting will slide off the air hose. Next, loosen and remove the 3 top mounting bolts and disconnect the electrical connection on the bottom mount of the strut. Now unclip and unroute the electrical lines and brake lines from the strut wire mounting bracket. Remove the strut wire mounting bracket. Do not discard because this bracket will be reused for installation. Continue by removing the sway arm link nut and disconnecting the sway arm from the strut. Then remove the 2 strut bottom mount bolts. You should now be able to remove the old air strut from the vehicle. Install the Arnott air strut into the vehicle. When installing the strut, make sure the electrical connections and brake lines are oriented correctly to avoid entanglement with the new strut. Reinstall the 3 top mount bolts and 2 bottom bolts and nuts. Make sure to tighten all nuts and bolts to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications during the installation process. Now reinstall the sway arm linkage bolt and nut and reinstall the strut wire mounting bracket. Reroute and reclip the electrical lines and brake lines to the strut wire mounting bracket and reconnect the electrical connection to the bottom mount of the new strut. Remove the white plastic shipping pin from the airline fitting and discard it. Install the airline into the airline fitting by inserting it until it stops. Then gently pull on the airline to confirm it is fully secured by the airline fitting. To complete the installation, reinstall the wheel and inflate the air system per vehicle manufacturer's specifications. Now lower the vehicle and you are done. Thank you for following our guide on replacing the front air struts with an Arnott part. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.